Hello everyone, we are back. Let's try to create this transition and see how it looks like. You see, it's beautiful. It has a main effect and you can love it or you cannot love it. But if you want more tutorial like this, you can see them in my channel. Let's start. We create a blank space. The thing is that we need this picture, and this text. Let me just select all of them, the picture and the text. This is the main source of our slide, the picture and the text. The text is using overdrive sunset and nothing more, but the picture is using bold and text shadow, and also this mountain is using this thing as a art, but after that we color it back. Okay, let's start to create this. How to create this shape? We create a new slide. It's pretty simple and I guess all of you understand how, but for the one who don't know, it's not important. You never see one of them in the back and it's not important. You will understand now. We go for shapes and go for the shapes we want. Okay, this is it. We create it by pressing Shift to make it the way we want. The Shift is very useful in creating circles, triangles, everything. And then select both of them by Ctrl L and merge them. Okay, we create the shape. Now we need to color it up black. Everything is ready. But the important thing is that when we paste this thing here, it looks like nonsense, as you agree. But we are going to rotate it and increase it in size. Okay. Now we copy this shape, slide, bring this thing out, bring to front, and we just simply increase the size of the background and rotate it. Sorry everyone, rotate it and reduce it in the size to the size of the slide. How we reduce it in size? We just simply copy this thing and it's done the work. But we have a problem. We must bring this thing to front. We bring it to back and send this to back. Now everything makes sense. We just simply need to bring it upper for better view. Okay, it's good. Now we just simply put this back and set the transition of this to page to move. Now let's see how it looks like. The zoom out is very beautiful and I absolutely like it. You can use it in many ways, but if you want to see other use of them, they were available in my channel. You can go and see them. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you like it. And ask me any question if you need in the comments. I will answer you. Have a nice time.